see it. Speed trap ahead, dude. Look out. Hang back. There he is. That's a security vehicle hanging out. We'll just filter through that. Okay, we are approaching the Beltway, and heading towards Baltimore for a bit. It's always interesting going to the Beltway, all the smells and sounds and people from all walks of life. Shift down to 5th gear and get into rally mode here. And of course there's traffic. All right, let's get ready to do this. Gonna watch the left side here, coming from the rear. So like these idiots right here. Don't know what the fuck they're doing. And this guy's here, cutting his corner. Fucking amazing. Here. to clear it up, it looks like. Caught here beside his 18-wheeler. And let's see, do we want to go? Do we want a lane swap here? Maybe. Let's go. Let's go all the way up. I think I can. Let's do it. Nope. You closed up on me. Easy does it. Don't need to be aggressive with this. Just be polite. Don't need to overrev the engine. I want to come in right here. There we go. Just like that. Continue spinning from the left. That was smooth. Oh, I got one of these little Tesla trucks back here coming on my 6 on my left side. I guess that's what, 7 o'clock? Not sure he's going to catch up to me. Don't really feel like waiting for him. He's like 2 cars back on the left lane. Back to rally mode here. Speed's about 65, which, yeah, it's a little slow, but since I'm narrating and not necessarily in a hurry, I'm not gonna gun forward. I will, however, take open lane opportunities to advance. And just like that, we're at 85 miles an hour. But unless I'm willing to split, because now we're beyond filtering, this now becomes splitting. And I'm not. It's just not worth it here. Unless I'm willing to split, like right here, go through, yeah, there's really nowhere I can go. And if splitting here, there's just too many variables. These cars don't stay in their lane. They'll randomly, spontaneously cut you off, either deliberately or just out of not being aware. So we're well inside Maryland now. All right, what do I want to do here? Let's see if we can see what we got. Looks like the left lane's kind of moving. Let's go towards the left here. We'll filter on this side. You also want to filter in an area where the cars on the side that you're filtering into have room to maneuver. Like right here, we got a car on the side of the road. I want to get away. I want to give them plenty of room to do whatever they feel they got to do. And I push the filter ahead of that, not noticing that car there. Yeah, any one of these cars ahead of me could have decided to just all of a sudden close the gap on the left. decided he wants to come over the right. Truck. Is he going to come in? He's talking on the phone. Animated hand gestures. Now he's in the right lane. Nice. Let's cut him back. Not cut him back, just cut in front of him. Go pace. Hello? Hi, Mom. So, where was I? Oh, we were filtering. So, still got some congestion. I lost track of my skid buddy up front, my two up skid buddy. But we're almost at our exit anyway. 11 minutes. Let's take 32 instead. Let's see. We got a truck up here. Let's rally. Sister's calling me. I'll listen to her message when I get on to 32. I got it. All right. Someone, Swarsea has a problem. Oh, someone's taking a leak. Who knows? All right. Rock and roll. Correctly, coming through here, this is patrolled by federal law enforcement. We'll see why shortly. Ooh, I see it. Speed trap ahead, dude. Look out. Hang back. There he is. That's a security vehicle hanging out. Restricted area. Nice little wall here. So there's the old building. The new buildings are back there. That's the original one. Probably see that in movies and stuff. That's just the front office basically now.